I got a call, Carney's Point here for a no start for UX Express, but it's going to be actual total truck. So I think they're calling for a jump start. Let's get out here and see what's going on. Bring my meter with me too. Alright, we're gonna get a meter reading. Two of the same glove. What's going on, man? I really don't need my gloves for this. Okay, it's 11.9. All right, I'm gonna get my jump box. I ain't gonna need my gloves for this. Get him started, get my info, we'll be good to go. Hoping my boss gets a third jump box. I gotta take this thing back to the shop when I get done. There's only two of them. Me and the other mechanic share this one. Keys off, right? Keys off? Yes. Okay. All right, go ahead and start it. Up and running. I don't know, he's got to keep it running for a while. The bolts are only down to 11.9, 11.3 I mean. Wasn't too bad. Probably left something on. You gotta leave your truck running the rest of the day, okay? I'm sorry? Okay, let me get my pad and get some info, you'll be good to go. You leaving out now? Okay. And it keeps calling me sir. Hate that. Anyway, I'm gonna get my pad, it's gonna do it for this one.